Solve the inequality. Give the solution set in both interval and graph forms. 2 plus 4x is less than or equal to 5x. To solve this, we need to subtract 4x from each side. On the left-hand side, we have 2, and then less than or equal to, on the right-hand side, x. We can also write this as x is greater than or equal to 2. And so in interval notation, what we would write is the solution begins at 2 inclusive and goes through positive infinity. So in terms of the graph, we would write 0, 2, and then a few more. And we would put a bracket at 2 to show that 2 is included, and then we would shade in going all the way out to the right to show that it goes to infinity.